Alright, we're going to show you what Shane does when we turn on the vacuum. Vacuum. Shane. Alright, Shane. Come here. Come here. Come on. You can sit him right there. Oh, he needs to sit down first. I heard him. Sit down, buddy. Oh. Come here, bud. One more time so that you know we're not just joking. Come here. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. Come on. Sit down, buddy. Sit down. There you go. So you can go from daytime to dazzling.
Shane, what are you doing?
Look at him peeking around the corner.
Go watch him.
What are you doing? Shane. Hey. We're done being mean. I sorry.